Hello, how to pay estimated tax on swing trading profit. First, you want to track your swing trade and track your profit. Second, you want to know when those estimated tax are due. Third, you want to find your income, your household income tax rate, your income tax brackets corresponding to the rate, the income tax rate corresponding to the income tax bracket your income fit within. And next, you can pay your estimated tax online or by mailing it in, completing a form. Online, you will create an account. In fact, if you click on estimated tax, you'll be able to read more about it, but you will create an account with IRS, and that will require you to have ID.me account. But it seems like with this process, you might pay quickly. I'm not entirely sure, but it's good to have your ID.me account so that you can just log into your account and make your estimated tax. So when I click on that, that link, it brought me here, and clicking in here will take you to your ID.me, the ID.me website page where you can create an account. So, and that is an outside service that IRS uses as well. But yeah, you create that account and you'll be able to log in, and to log into your IRS account where you can select estimated tax, the year, and all those, and just pay your tax using your debit, your bank account routing number and account number, and make your payment. That is if you want to go online. Alternatively, you could complete the form, the voucher as well, and mail it in. Let me see here if we have it at the bottom here. You could complete it for each quarter and mail it in before the due date, and you'll read the information, on those top pages. You complete it, you print it out, you cut that side, and you insert your check, and you'll put information on the check, including they will specify what will go on the check. You read it properly and you put those on the check to mail it in via USPS certified mail, so that you have the receipt that you mail it in. And when the check clear out, you'll be able to have that proof that they took the money as well. So that is those two ways that you can pay your estimated tax throughout the year. So thank you so much for watching. Also, if you know how much you estimate how much your profit will be for the year, you can try to pay all during the first quarter as well for the entire year. If you want to do that, you can. Otherwise, you can just calculate your quarterly profits and the tax corresponding to it, and pay those for the quarters before their due dates. So thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to analyze COP as of August 7, 2026. And when we are looking at COP on maximum monthly chart, it's a growth stocks, but all-time highest price is too far in the past, and right now is midway between all-time highest price and where we would like to buy. So therefore, we are just going to wait on it. I'm going to go to maximum daily chart to see more. We can just extend this to right. So yeah, it went up quite close to exceed this, but didn't make it there. Pull back down, went up, pull back down, and is somewhere here right now. But we are just going to continue observing it. So it could well breach this price here and create a new all-time highest price this year. But I have not purchased it yet because I like to purchase it around this support line, and it's not there. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just as small and slowly, but surely you will get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Option Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading.